Tools for structured system analysis and design. Fifth tool, data flow diagram. Definition of a DFD. A data flow diagram or DFD is a network that describes the flow of data throughout a system, data stores, and the processes that change or transform data flows. A DFD network is a formal, logical abstract of a system that may have many possible physical configurations. For this reason, a set of symbols that do not imply a physical form is used to represent data sources, data flows, data transformations, and data storage. These are the basic DFD symbols. The circle or bubble represents a transformation process, and the label inside the bubble describes the process using an action verb to do so. Data flows are directed lines that identify the input data flows and the output data flows at each process bubble. Data storage is represented by an open-ended rectangle with a label that identifies the data store or file. The square is labeled to identify an external entity that is a source or a destination of a data flow. Data flow diagram transformations and decomposition. The three principal types of data stream transformations that take place at the processing bubbles are shown in the figure. These are combining, splitting or modifying data streams. High-level DFDs are subdivided or partitioned into a hierarchy of lower-level DFDs through a procedure called decomposition. The big picture of data flow diagram that is prepared before decomposition begins identifies a domain or boundaries of the system that is being studied. This DFD is called a context diagram, and it identifies the net input and output data flows between the system and the external entities with which it interacts. When processes are partitioned into sets of sub-processes, there is a link-pin relationship between these levels. This figure is a context diagram, and it identifies a system domain. The context diagram is not considered to be a level of a DFD. The initial data flow diagram that is drawn within the boundaries established by the context diagram is called a level 0 DFD. It is a graphic picture of the major system data flows and the processes that transform them. This figure shows a level 0 DFD. This figure shows a level 1 DFD that is the result of a partial decomposition of the level 0 DFD. At each level, the net inputs and outputs of the child must correspond to those of the parent. For example, the net input and outputs of the level 1 child are F, G and H, and they correspond to the input and outputs of the level 0 parent. This figure shows when a data store is first drawn, it is customary to show all of its inputs and outputs.